clean the crystals with this, and they will be impeccable and without scratches. It's awesome. If despite all your efforts you continue to see streaks on windows and mirrors after cleaning them, use newspaper. You may be surprised at how well it works by eliminating any streak. Make sure the windows are in the shade during cleaning, since the heat of the sun is the main culprit of the formation of stretch marks. In an atomizer mix, 1. 2 cups water. 2. 1/4 cup white vinegar. 3. 1 tablespoon of liquid soap. Process. 1. Spray the mixture on the windows or glasses and start to clean them with newspaper ball as a rag. 2. First cut the grease marks or marks with circular movements, then clean them vertically from top to bottom. You will notice how the solution dries right away and leaves your windows flawless. 3. You may notice streaks at first, but continue to dry just as you would with a paper towel or a cloth and will be streaked. Keep in mind that it is better to use white vinegar than apple cider vinegar. The former is much more effective for cleaning windows and mirrors. And if you want to add more shine, add lemon juice to the previous combination. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a